bugger. Oh, you cheeky mother...
You guys alright?
Unbelievable.
That took you a while.
Angry. Like, they were fully stopped, and then the minute the lights were starting to change, we just went...
Also, by a number of large passengers felt too afraid to gently, but still. Yeah. Eventually they get to the depot.
What?
So a pro-revenge story.
Ford's doing it perfectly, well done.
Oh.
Come on, Honda, do us proud.
No! No! Really, though.
Even a van can do it right.
Yes.
And like, big vans don't even have to
And good
go
manners,
around
too.
the roundabout.
Whoa! That's alright, I'll just stop on the top of a hill for you. That's fine, that.
Corner.
Hey!
I think the bad drivers have shut up more in the past couple of days. Bright light! Shut up! I see the light! Corner!
Oh, I nearly had the back end out there.
Oh, it's bright and light tonight. Shut up! Bright and light tonight. Shut up! Ah! You stupid piece of equipment. Shut up! Shut up!
Another bit of invisible indicating. Well, it would help if you used your indicators. You wouldn't need to wait for me to see what I'm doing. No.